Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. This state doesn't actually require one, but it's a good idea to have one filled out just in case. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have the bill of sale filled out if needed, and exchange payment. If you need to replace the title, you can request a duplicate by submitting the form shown on screen to the MVC. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. Make sure you remove them before the new owner takes possession of the vehicle. You should also be aware that New Jersey doesn't allow title transfers to happen by mail. That being said, you should try to complete the sale at an MVC if possible. Looking for a place to do most of this in one spot? Visit privateauto.com.